Hong Kong. Good afternoon. I am Christine Aragon, 38 years old, married. My husband name is Eder Janway Midel, 37 years old. I have 4 kids, 3 girls and 1 boy. Age is 17, 10, 7, and 2 years old. I am Christian and I am the third of the family. I live at Mandaluyong City, Philippines. I work here as domestic helper in Philippines, taking care of newborn, finished contract 2020 and 2022. And I work Macau 4 years, finished contract 2016 and 2020. Financial problem of my employer, that's why I finished contract. My good attitude is I responsible at all, loving, caring, and loving pets. I work Hong Kong because the Hong Kong is the safetiest of the country as a domestic helper and high salary. Thank you, ma'am, sir. Have a good day.